What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set up your live stream donation alerts while you're streaming. So let's say somebody donates $1 or for example like $5, you can have that awesome like little pop-up. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that no matter what kind of streaming software you're using. Guys, we're excited. Make sure to smash the like button down below, subscribe if you're new. I would say let's get started right after the intro. So right now I would like to introduce you guys to Own3D.tv, the ultimate website to get your resource for live streaming, whether it's overlays, alerts, sounds, panels, stinger transitions, sub emotes, sub badges, bit badges, website for streamers, an avatar maker. Everything that you need to get started live streaming is on this website. No matter if you're looking for streaming overlays, gaming overlays itself, talking overlays, webcam overlays, stream panels, stream banners, these panels when somebody donates that pops up during your live stream. Everything is on this website, guys. They have a ton of excellent ranked reviews on Trustpilot as well. Everything comes in high quality that you can download right away, guys. It is really cool. Check the link in the description. Start downloading today and improve your live streams. Now let's continue with the video. Okay guys, so as you can see right now we are in Twitch Studio, and in order to actually set up these alert boxes, we're not going to import anything into Twitch Studio in terms of like images and all that. So what we need to do is we need to go to Streamlabs, and right here we need to customize our alert box on the very left. Okay, so we're going to start off with the follower alerts. So we're going to click on follows. So then what we need to do is we're going to pick this middle one. I think that one looks the best. So anytime somebody follows, we're going to make an image pop up and a little sound effect to play. So what we need to do is, like I've mentioned, you can get these awesome alert boxes from Own3D.tv. So that's what I did. So I'm going to click on change media. I'm going to pick this one. I think that one looks very nice, a new follower. So we're going to double click on it, and then we're going to hit select, and then we can also add in a nice sound effect. So right here it says change media to the sound, so I'm going to also do that. Let's go ahead and click on modern follow. Okay, so now that we have selected our follower alerts and also the sound effect, what we need to do is we need to import this into our Twitch Studio so it will actually pop up. So what we need to do is scroll up and we need to copy this URL. So we're going to click on copy. Then we're going to go back to Twitch Studio and we're going to go to our layer section where we will add in a new embed web page. So then on the very right, we have to fill in the URL that we just copied. Click on this arrow, and now what we're going to do is we're going to test it. So let's go ahead and click on test follow. So as you notice, that looks really cool. So let's go back to Streamlabs and let's also configure our donation alerts. Okay, so we're gonna move up to donations because subscriptions on Twitch is not available for, I think, beginners, because you have to be a Twitch partner and there are like criteria for being a Twitch partner. So we're gonna move up to donations. So let's go ahead and click on change media, pick this alert new donation, and let's also change the sound effect of that one. And you know what the cool thing is, guys? You don't need to copy this link again and again and then create a new embed web page like source in Twitch Studio all over. It will actually, all your alerts, donation, follower, subscription, like rates, hosts, bits, merch, everything is in one URL. So that's really a really time-saving thing. So let's go ahead and click on test the donation. That's really cool, guys. Right now, we're going to move up to also hosting. So let's say that somebody hosts your stream. We're going to go ahead and also change it up right here. We're going to click on change media, uploader file. You guys know exactly how that works. Also pick the host sound effect. And that's a really cool thing that for every single alert, they have like a different sound effect. So different sound effects for donations, hosts, bits, subscribers, all that. It's a really cool thing. And let's test the hosting alert. Okay, so you saw that's a lot of text. So let's go back to the alerts and let's go to the font settings at the bottom and let's shrink down the font size quite a bit. Let's click on save changes and now let's test it once more. Let's see if that text is now actually fitting into that box. There we go. This is how you install all the alerts on Twitch Studio using these Own3D.tv assets. You can find on the website. You can find the link down below as well. That's how to do it. So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to go ahead and check out Own3D.tv for all the assets that you need in terms of like live streaming and all that. Thanks a lot for them for sponsoring this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, smash the like button down below and subscribe for more tutorials, and I will see you guys obviously in my next video.